This channel has grown super fast, going from 0 to over 530k subscribers in only 3 months. It makes videos about dark stories and uses AI to get lots of people to watch. The videos are very interesting, so I made a guide on making similar ones and sharing my secrets. Why should you learn to make these videos? Because this channel earns a lot, about 10k every month. How do we do it? We'll use AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and 11 Labs, and then edit in CapCut. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and let's get started. To start, follow these steps to create a script. First, ask ChatGPT to make a script for your YouTube shorts about dark psychology and manipulation. If you don't like what you get, just click the arrow to try again. Now, let's start making pictures and videos. We'll use Leonardo AI for this. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to help us make prompts for the pictures. We want the pictures to have people or things that look like people, should be mysterious, and maybe a little scary. We need 10 pictures in total, and each prompt should match the story we're telling. This makes sure everything fits together. Before we take the pictures, we need to set some things up. Choose 2 or more on the left side, then pick the right size for the pictures. Then choose the Albedo BSSE option. Now copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and make a picture. Do this for all the prompts. There might be some mistakes, but it's okay. We're learning. Now, copy and paste the ChatGPT prompt in Leonardo AI and download your all pictures. I fast forward the rest. Now, let's turn these pictures into videos. Leonardo AI has a cool feature called Image to Motion. It can turn any picture into a moving video. Just pick a picture, click Image to Motion, and watch it change into a video. It's amazing. After that, download all the videos. The video recording part is done. Recording part is done. So now, let's make the voice part. We'll use 11 Labs for this. Here's how. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Then go to Voices and look for a deep voice for your short videos. Choose voices with the deep badge, add them to your voice lab, and finish the process. Now, go back to speech, pick the voice you like, paste the text from ChatGPT, and click Generate. Your voice recording will be ready shortly. That's it. Our voice part is done. Alright everyone, let's dive into the process of creating a video together. I'll be using CapCut for editing these videos. It's a user-friendly video editing software available for both mobile and computer platforms. First off, start a new project, then upload all the necessary files. Drag and drop them onto the timeline. Ensure to select the format suitable for YouTube Shorts, which is a 9:16 ratio. Next, trim out any silent portions of the voiceovers and increase the playback speed. Now adjust the size of the videos accordingly. Let's spice things up with some transitions. Navigate to the Transition tab and explore various options, like glitch transitions. Simply drag your chosen transition between video clips on the timeline. Experiment with different transitions to find what fits best. Moving on to video effects, explore the plethora of options available in the effects menu. Experiment with different effects to add depth and interest to your video. Mixing various effects can create a unique visual experience for your viewers. Adding captions is essential. CapCut offers an auto caption feature. Simply select it, choose the language, English, and let it generate captions automatically. You can then tweak the captions as needed, adjusting the size and style to complement your video. For text, consider using bold fonts and vibrant colors to make it visually appealing. Experiment with different styles to find what resonates with your audience. Don't forget the background music. Incorporate suitable music to enhance the mood of your video. Once everything looks good, export your video with the recommended settings to optimize its visibility on YouTube Shorts. Consistency is key on YouTube, so aim to upload at least 4 videos per day. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. I'll catch you in the next video. Now, let's take a look at our creation.
Tricky tricks. Many people learn too late. 1. Confuse your way out. When someone insults you, just pause and ask, "Are you okay?" It throws them off guard and works like magic. 2. Silence speaks louder. If you think someone is lying, just look them in the eye without saying anything. They'll likely crack and ask, "Do you think I'm lying?" 3. Keep calm. Win big, stay cool during arguments. It makes you look like you're winning, even if you're not. 4. The power of "I need your help." Start your request with, "I need your help." It makes people feel guilty if they don't help you out. 5. Nod your way to agreement. Nod while you talk if you want someone to agree with you. It makes them more likely to nod along and agree.